Hey, I'm Lindsey. I am a fairly new patient here at RevitalyzeMD, and I got lip filler. I was never sure if I should get lip filler or not, but I'd seen several of my friends get lip filler, and I'd seen before and after pictures from RevitalyzeMD for patients that have gotten lip filler. And I came in, and they made me feel very comfortable and explained the procedure to me. They were very good about putting the numbing gel on my lips to make sure I was very comfortable during it. While I was getting the procedure done, they were good about talking to me and talking me through it. And it was not as uncomfortable as I thought it would be. And my results have been amazing. The aftercare, they were very good about reaching out to me and making sure everything was going good and explaining you might have a little bruising, but it'll go away, and which I did, but within 2 days it was gone. And I've loved my lips ever since. I've gotten compliments on it in different cities that I've been in. People are wanting to come to Revitalize to get their lips done. And I just, boast about how great these people are here because they are so good about making you feel like family and feeling so comfortable and welcomed. And I will be back to get more because I love it that much. And it's just so natural and just makes me feel beautiful, even more beautiful.